Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to make some dry rub chicken, but I want to make like hot wing dry rub chicken. So what I did, let's see if I can get in here. I melted a little margarine because I don't want to disrupt the taste of my dry rub. And then I want to put some, instead of, this is not my first rodeo on barbecued chicken, or this would be really good on a barbecue, however. Okay, but what I want to do is I want to add my Tabasco to my, quite a bit. I want to flavor my oil. I want to make I want quite a bit. I want to be able to taste my, okay, this is going to be good. Not too much, but enough. All right, I'm going to move this because I don't want it burning. I don't think it would, but I don't want to take any chances. Okay, I made this before, but I want to alter the recipe a bit. This is a half batch. 3 tablespoons white sugar, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon kosher salt. Okay, what I did is I substituted salt for garlic salt. You don't need that much salt. Okay, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cumin. Okay, here's where I decided to switch it up. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Okay, it's not dry when you add the Worcestershire sauce. So I substituted 1 tablespoon flour, because I make really good baked chicken and it's basically flour, salt, and pepper. And I usually use margarine, but this time I decided to use shortening. Okay, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and then I put the Tabasco sauce in the oil. So here's my spices. So I want to put them in here. This is really good dry rub. I already made this once. The only thing I didn't like was, I wouldn't say I didn't like it, but that's not what I want to do. I want dry rub. Okay, and so I buy chicken all the time. This week chicken is really, really cheap, but I don't need any chicken. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to coat my chicken with the dry rub best I can. I want to get as much as I can on there. I don't want any left over. I'm just going to use what I have, get it on the chicken as best I can. It's going to be good anyway, if you get a good recipe. Then, when you find a good recipe, you can switch it up a little to make it your own way. And then the other thing I want to do is I want to put the black pepper directly on the chicken, because I don't see how you can have, if your dry rub chicken is not peppery, black peppery. I always said I could win a chili contest, or one of these dry rub contests, especially if I stole somebody else's dry rub recipe, right? Nothing worse than a know-it-all stealing someone else's recipe and saying they could win a contest. That's really funny. Well, you know what I mean. It's got to be chickeny. It's got to be peppery. Okay, so I have my chicken. It takes a couple. I'm getting more chickens or dry rub stuck on myself than the chicken. But oh, I almost go crazy. This is a worse tripod. I hate it. Something's got to be done here. Okay. Okay, so now I just want to put my chicken. This may not be the highest quality video, but this is going to be some good chicken. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to put a little black pepper on my chicken. And okay, so what I'm going to do is bake this at 350 and turn halfway. Then I'm going to make myself a little salad, and I'm not having bread, so I'll have to have a few croutons on my salad. Let me give you another shot. And I will I will put the recipe on the contents. God bless you all.